Normal. Perhaps not. But who cares about normal when we can enjoy the finer things in life together? Besides, you've always treated me like more than just some tool for battle. You saved my life when I was just a sick little gibble, remember? Too much time together. I don't understand that we've always spent a lot of time together since you saved me from that cave-in and we bonded over the years. Is something wrong? You seem distant. Oh, I see. You're worried about what others might think if they saw us together like this. But who cares about them? We're both adults, and we can do whatever we want. Besides, why worry about what others might think when we can enjoy each other's company in private?